Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the SketchUp tutorial series. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the multiply tool. Pretty easy concept. So we're going to call this a porch with railings. These are, of course, the post, and these is the deck. So let's go ahead and draw up one of these and get this tutorial started. We'll start right here. Come over to my rectangle tool, grab the corner. I'm going to go, let's see, let's go 20 feet by 6 feet. There we go. 20 feet by 6 feet. Now we're going to go to the push-pull right here. Let's bring this up 4 inches. Whoops, did that one wrong. Bring this up 4, enter. There we go. Now since this is just for tutorial purposes, I'm not going to draw the post on here. I'm just going to draw the deck and the rails. So let's go ahead and get started on that. I'm going to start at this corner, go to my rectangle tool. I'm going to grab the corner. I'm going to put 2 by 2, enter. I'm going to come over to my push-pull tool and raise this up 30 inches. There we go. Whoops, I did something wrong. Let me back up here. Before we make the post, let me get rid of that. Before we make the post or the railings, I need to group this as one object. So I'm going to left click and drag a box around here, right click, make a group. There we go. Now let's make the rails. Come over to the rectangle. I'm going to left click and drag. I'm going to make 2 inches by 2. There we go. Now I'm going to use my push-pull tool and bring this up 30 inches. So now we're going to multiply this one railing down this deck right here. Okay, just for clarity, I'm moving this around for you so you can kind of grasp what's going on here. Okay, I have made this as a group. So I'm going to come down here to the move and then Control C. Now I'm going to move this out, excuse me, 6 inches, correct. Now while this is still highlighted, this is very important, while it's still highlighted, I'm coming down here to this box down here. It says length, the command box. I'm going to type in X, which for multiply. And then I'm going to type in, let's just say 25 rails. There we go. Very easy process. Okay, you see how easy it was to make the one rail multiply. Very easy process. I'd encourage you to practice this, and it is easy process, but it's also easy to make a mistake. So once you learn this little trick, I think it'll make your little drawings might be a little bit easier. This is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching, and I appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button below. Thanks.